had a probation violation. This time was probation violation, taking 2 years prison, but the first one was, on the NTR, motion to revoke. See, but it's a probation violation, so I think it's different than NTR.
Yeah.
Motion to revoke, and then probation, you violated something.
Yeah.
You did his dirty with me?
No.
Eddie, it's me, Joanne. Can you hear me? I think you're muted.
Can you hear me?
The speakers
Okay,
are,
now I can hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. Is there anybody in the courtroom?
Hi.
no,
Hola, llegó Leslie.
Who's that?
Joanne wants to know who's here.
right here, and then the speakers
She's in her office.
there, see, it's on, and then you can push it one time, and it'll be on right there, push that one, push it there. Whenever, you see?
Okay.
Wait, who's in here, Garza?
No defendants in the courtroom?
There, you guys in the jail.
Oh, okay. Does anybody need an attorney?
I'm on Zoom call for a court as well for today. I don't know if this is for me.
What is your name, sir?
Ricardo
Ricardo what?
Valencia Alvarez.
Okay, yeah, you're on there. So just hang tight. Just keep your, what do you call it? Keep it muted and then just wait till your attorney announces. Your attorney is Mr. Zamora.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Joanne.
You might want to change your name on there to put Ricardo,
Okay.
if you can.
I could try right now.
Okay. thank
Joanne,
you.
can you hear me?
Yes, Eddie?
Did you get the add-ons, the 95 add-ons?
I think
There
so.
should be 4. Do you have 4?
Tyrone, Cliff, and Elida?
Cliff, I don't think he's in custody.
No, he shouldn't be.
Okay, it va a ser Raquel Sawyer,
Uh-huh.
Jorge Luis Pérez Adame.
Raquel Slayer shouldn't be on there, but because she already got sent
She
back
put
on.
out, but she's on the docket. So what are we doing? We do it just
That's fine.
okay. And Jorge Luis Pérez Adame,
Yes, he's in custody.
Roman Tyrone or Tyrone Roman, and Elida Hernandez.
Okay, they're in custody. Okay, thank you, sir.
Hey,
Yes.
so I just go to mute it with the microphone with the red slash that'll keep me from being
Yes.
heard?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's all the way down at the bottom on the
Yeah,
left
whatever.
corner, and you hit that, and that way it'll keep you muted.
Okay, I'm gonna go to that right now.
Okay, me too. Thanks.
Already. The button, you trying to mute it?
No, it was on mute.
It was? Okay. Yeah, no, it's just a big like place, and it's like God did it for a reason, He did it for a reason, you're not any kind of modern drugs. He has like 500 some days credit. It's on you.
Yeah.
Can you hear me, Jail?
Yes, sir.
You have Raquel Sawyer there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's why we're showing for. All right. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hey, LaSalle County Jail, Raquel Sawyer, she pled out already. I don't need her.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, she's already taken care of, so she doesn't need to be there.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thanks.
See, I told you to go home.
Okay, I have 9 o'clock. I call the criminal dockets for LaSalle and Wilson County as for announcements from the attorneys. Anyone who's present who doesn't have an attorney, which doesn't look like we have that. So, except perhaps for Mr. Fernandez. Let me know that you're here if your attorney doesn't answer for you. State versus Oscar Rios. Anyone? All right, no show. State versus Alberto Castor Jr.
He is present, Your Honor. His box says Nelida Garcia.
Okay, I'll rename it.
Confirming.
Cynthia Mata.
I represent her, Your Honor. Don't know where she is.
All right.
Is she in the jail in Catula? I don't know.
No.
Okay.
No show, Raquel Sawyer.
Judge, she was previously disposed of on February 11th.
Okay, I heard you say that about someone
Yes, sir.
previously disposed. All right. Jorge Perez Adame.
Present. I'm here.
Thank you.
I'm present on that, Judge. I'll need to confer with Mr. Perez later this morning.
Okay. I'm going to make Miss Poppy, that's not a big docket, but I'm still going to make her the host so she can open up conference rooms. Okay, custody. Johnny Andrew Cordova.
Your Honor, I conferred with Mr. Strouch on this case and I sent an email to the coordinator requesting a reset to April 20th.
Okay, so everybody's in agreement?
Yes, sir. It's April 20th for entry of a plea.
Ricardo Valencia Alvarez, I expect?
Yes, present.
He is present on Zoom, Your Honor. I do have a waiver of arraignment that's already been filed and signed by the courts with a reset date of April the 27th.
All right.
And I also have a bond motion pending before the court whenever the court is ready.
Okay. Is he in custody then?
No, Your Honor, he is in Washington State. He was indicted while he was over there. And he missed a court date, and we're trying to get him back over to Texas to enter into a plea. We already kind of have an agreement already in place.
Okay. John Molina.
She is answering Judge Ellison's docket. She is asking for another date, and we'll try to get one from Leslie.
All right, and where's Mr. Molina?
He's not present, Your Honor.
All right, I'll mark him no show for the time being. Donelia Sotelo.
She's on, Judge. She's
Is
muted.
here. Okay. All right,
Okay.
Mr. Briggs.
Yes, Judge, and we're just going to ask to carry that one on to the 4/20 reset date. I'll post it to chat.
Thank you. All right, the add-ons. Elida Hernandez.
She's in custody, I believe, Your Honor.
In custody, Your Honor.
Marcus confirming.
Yeah, excellent that she's in custody, but I'm glad that it's not a no-show. All right, Cliff Robinson.
I represent him, Your Honor. He's there. We'll confer.
Tyrone Roman.
He's in custody.
All right, and in Wilson County case add-on, Cleophas Castillo.
Present for Mr. Castillo, Your Honor. I believe I saw him on Zoom. He's present. The court,
Right.
the office, you need to unmute.
There he is. Yes, I see him.
Your Honor, just by way of background, this was set yesterday in Wilson County. And my client didn't report until after the court had concluded its docket.
All right, Ms. Poppy, I'm sorry, sir. Would you make me the co-host so I can mute whoever that is? Thank you. Yes, Mr. Shaughnessy. Now, actually, we had not concluded our docket, but you had left and we couldn't get you back. So,
well, I had to go
in the afternoon. So
I had to go to the 175th and then I went back.
Yes,
but in any event, you gave Mr. Castillo the opportunity to appear today by Zoom, but it's a Wilson County case.
Yes.
I don't know that there's anybody from Wilson County from the DA's office to confer with.
I'm from every county.
Oh, whoa.
I was told we just needed to briefly confer, so don't give me anything hard to do.
All 254 counties?
Just the 81st, buddy, just the 81st.
You got it. I'll confer with Ms. Carranza, Your Honor. Ooh, sorry.
And all the parishes in the Louisiana. Okay, anyone else told to be here today? Your case was not called. All right, I'll let the attorneys know. It looks like we should have a brief docket. I have a follow-up appointment, hopefully the last one on my hand. So I need to leave at 11. I should be back by 1:30 or 2 if I have to come back. I'm going to come back, but I'll be able to come back and do anything. We have to do something later this afternoon.
What'd you do to your hand?
I sliced a tendon last June, and I've had 2 surgeries on it. And you see, it doesn't quite bend one of the fingers, but it didn't bend at all. It looked like I was flipping people off all the time for a while because the tendons were cut and I could not, retract it. But
that might come in handy, actually.
Give you an excuse? No. If you're an attorney, no, Judge, I wasn't being disrespectful. I just have this cut tendon and I'm always flipping people off. Okay.
Judge Wilson.
Yes, ma'am.
There's 2 that I wanted to mention that might need attorneys. I just wanted to know if they filled out the affidavits of indigency. That's on Oscar Rios. I don't have an attorney notated. I don't know if the district clerk does.
He's not shown up for court yet, Jennifer. This was supposed to be his first appearance.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So he's absent. And then on the ads docket, Mr. Roman.
Mm-hmm.
Tyrone Roman.
Has he filled out an affidavit?
I don't know if the jail has had him fill one out. They usually do when Anita Perales does when they're in jail. But I don't know. She has not sent it to me.
Okay, we'll get that worked on.
Thank you, Leslie.
Mm-hmm.
Then, Mr. Briggs, you wanted to see your client, correct, at LaSalle County in a breakout room?
Yes, but I need to speak with Leslie first.
Okay. Judge, are we at that point in time? Can we start those breakout rooms or? Okay.
I guess he's gone.
Well, I'll put you on Mr. Briggs, Leslie, and then Mr. Shaughnessy.
Okay.
Can I get in there after? Thank you.
Okay, so now I'm going to.
All right. I had muted my speakers. I don't know if anybody was trying to get in touch with me. No? Good.
I just started to do the breakout room, sir, if that was okay.
No, that's great. I'm going to work on my emails.
Jennifer, I'm going to go ahead and send a court-appointed paperwork to the jail so that Mr. Roman can fill one out.
Thank you very much.
Yes, ma'am.
I just have a question. I have an Albert Castor case also. Michael and I both had cases with him. I couldn't understand Michael's announcement. If somebody else is going to represent him, I don't know.
Judge Wilson, I had asked Judge Ellison about that specifically, and he told me to keep both of them on there.
Okay. Is it in different counties?
No, sir.
Okay, I assume Lynn wants to, has a reason for wanting to do that. I would say ask him.
Are you talking about Albert Castor, Mr.
Yes.
Robert?
Yes.
Yeah, I was appointed to represent him on these two 17 cases a while back. And I think the newer case.
I've got the 20 case.
Yeah, it's just a newer case.
Okay.
We can confirm.
Okay, but Judge Ellison wanted to remain with different attorneys, the different charges?
When I asked him about it, yes, he said leave as is. And that Leslie was in the loop on all of those emails.
Okay. I'm assuming he had a reason for doing that. And by all means, ask him about it.
Ms. Poppy, will you put me in a breakout room with Leslie whenever you can?
Yes, sir, I have you on the list.
Thank you.
Jennifer,
Yes, sir.
can you put Mr. Briggs in the breakout room with Leslie?
He's in there.
Okay, thanks.
Jennifer?
Yes, sir.
I'm done with Leslie. She's ready for the next attorney, and then I need to be put in a breakout room with the jail to speak with my client.
Okay. And who do you need at the jail, sir?
Jorge Luis Perez Adame.
Okay. And put you on breakout room 2.
Thank you.
Mr. Zamora, you're next. I just put her in with Mr. Shaughnessy.
Okay, and I guess when I go in there, since I have a common defendant with Mr. Roberts, I guess we can both go in there at the same time.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Jennifer.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna need a Wilson County date for Mr. Castillo, so I can post it in chat and Leslie can relay it to the people in Wilson County.
We can do 4/19 or 4/21.
I think I have other things on 21, so if we could do 21.
Yes, sir, if you could post that to chat.
I will, but, oh, I just lost you. Come on, Doug, come on. Damn it.
Can you
what's
hear us,
the-
sir?
Yeah, I'm here. Hold on. This thing has a mind of its own sometimes. What's his cause number?
I'll post that to you in chat, sir, and you can just
Okay.
copy it. Does that work?
Yes, it will. Thanks so much.
You're welcome.
And I guess I ought to have a breakout room with my client before all's said and done.
Okay, I can do that right now, sir.
Beautiful. You don't have to call me sir.
It's a habit that will not be broken. I'm sorry.
That's all right. Don't worry about it. 2011-296. Okay, I guess I ought to talk to Cleophas.
Jennifer, the jail just sent back the indigency form on Mr. Ramon, and I just took it down to the clerk's office, so they should either be scanning it and emailing it. I'm not sure, to you or to Judge.
Judge, do you just want to post it in chat?
Please.
I'm going to send you the name of the next 4 attorneys on the list, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, I'm guessing I'm done. Hello?
Mr.
Yes, sir, we're just waiting for your attorney to post that in chat, and then you will be set, sir.
Okay.
Okay, Jennifer, I posted. Am I clear to go?
Judge, he's posted everything in chat.
That's fine.
Good luck with the finger, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right,
And
carry
since
on.
that was the only Wilson County case, I'm going to go ahead and exit.
What? Where are you going?
Got work to do, catching up from tomorrow.
Gee, no kidding. All right. Peace out. See ya. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Castillo. You're free to go.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. You have a good day.
You too. Mr. Garcia, I see you on. Is that your correct name? Nelidia Garcia?
No. I changed it once and I think he exited back out.
Okay. What's the name? Do y'all remember?
I believe that's Mr. Alberto Castor.
Okay.
Jennifer, can I talk to Elida Hernandez? I think she is at the jail.
Yes, sir.
Pardon me, Jennifer.
Yes, sir.
Can I get a quick breakout room with Joanne at probation?
Yes,
Joanne. Leslie needs you in the office over here in the courtroom.
Okay. I'll be over there in just a minute. They're gonna put me in a breakout room with Briggs.
Okay, she was asking if you could go before.
Oh, okay. Then hold on, Mr. Briggs.
Thank you.
Richard Briggs.
Judge Wilson,
Yes.
I think that one that's connecting to audio, that one's Cynthia Mata.
All right, thank you. All right, is Mr. Roberts left or is he in breakout room?
I believe he's in the breakout room.
Okay. All right, Ms. Mata, if you can hear us, just hold on. Your attorney is in a breakout room.
Ms. Mata, it looks like you're connected with us now. I don't know if she can hear us still. Ms. Mata, can you hear us? I'll try to message her and get her to turn her volume up.
Thank you.
She can see us too.
Your Honor, I did post some dates in the chat. I don't see Albert Castor in here. I don't know if he disconnected or if he's in a breakout room or what.
Okay. Yes, what's going on with him? You posted dates for him? Oh, I see. All right, that's fine. Yes, he was been on here twice. I get, he's either leaving or being kicked off.
Okay.
All right, so you're excused. Have a good day.
Well, Your Honor, I have got a couple other.
Oh, okay.
Elida,
Get the guy in Washington.
Elida Hernandez, she is in custody. I wanted to let her know that I did post a date of 3/11, March 11th. And that case, we should be able to work out a plea on that date, Your Honor.
Okay, excellent.
She was brought in from another county, so she has a bunch of credit, a bunch of days credit.
Okay.
And the last case I have is Ricardo Valencia on page 2. I did talk to Ms. Carranza, Judge. She was not opposed to my motion for bond. I don't know if the court just wants to wait for her to get back in here.
No, just send me something to sign.
Okay. And what his situation is, Your Honor, he had been arrested and he was let out on bond. This was pre-pandemic, and I guess the oil field work got kind of slow, so he moved Washington State now with his family. And he learned that he had a warrant. He has been in communication. I think Jennifer appointed me on it, so he has been in communication with them, with the court, and he's wanting to get back over here so we can enter into a plea. But I just didn't want him being picked up on the way over here.
I understand.
And what I'll do, Judge, is I can forward you the PDF of my motion and proposed order.
Just give me the orders.
Okay.
I don't know if it's as common because I haven't run my scanner in a long time because everything interesting just about has gone digital. But for a few years, I would run a scanner quite a lot, and it happened fairly routinely that somebody would be pulled over and they'd tell the cop, I've got a warrant out of some other state, but they won't extradite. And so apparently lots of states use that just as a go away and stay away thing, that they put the warrant in the state database, but then they won't extradite. So as long as you stay out of wherever you're wanted, nothing ever happens to you, except you get detained on the side of the road 20 minutes until they come back and say, no, we won't extradite.
Yeah, and you know, Washington State kind of has a liberal kind of policies and stuff like that. So I don't know if maybe that's why they didn't arrest him on it.
Yeah, go ahead. Can I speak?
Yeah, Mr. Valencia, what's going to happen is that your court date is going to be reset to April the 27th. Okay, so that'll give you some time to make arrangements. I got that date from the prosecutor. She agreed to that date. So just make arrangements with your family to get back over here.
Yeah. Also, that like what the judge was saying, that's how I got found out. Cause the state patrol, she's like, hey, you got a felony warrant out of Texas. You might have to check up, and that's when I started checking up, and everything started calling and start finding out everything, trying to get on top of everything, you know. But yeah, he said it wasn't extraditable. That's why I was like kind of worried, and I told my mom.
Oh, it's extraditable, but yeah, either they didn't want to bother with it, or LaSalle County said we're not going to extradite. I don't know. Probably like Mr. Zamora said, they just didn't want to bother with it. All right, Mr. Zamora, the proposed order you sent me, I cannot open it. It says it's a PDF, but when I click on trying to open it, it will not open. So if you want to send that to me again, I'd appreciate it. That happens a lot with Zoom.
Judge Wilson,
Yes.
the affidavit of indigence for Tyrone Roman has been posted to chat.
Yes, I have it. Thanks. I'm just looking at it.
Ven para acá. Pero todavía no, eso nomás es una parte.
Mr. Valencia, if you could mute yourself. Okay.
Ms. Poppy,
Yes, sir.
could I go in a breakout room with Cliff Robinson, please?
Yes. Mr. Robinson, we're going to put you in a breakout room with your attorney where you can speak privately to him.
Yes, ma'am.
When you're done, leave the room and not the meeting.
All right. Yes, ma'am.
Jennifer, I'm back. I didn't know if Mr. Briggs still needed to speak to me. This is Joanne.
Mr. Briggs, we still need to speak with her?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Hey, Jennifer, what reset date did Ed Shaughnessy get on his Cleophas Castillo guy?
421.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I just posted the Tyrone order affidavit. I appointed Mr. Roberts, and I just posted that to the clerk's office and to Ms. Poppy. And with the randomness of Zoom, sometimes I get another thing where I can go in, and maybe it's just if you're the host, I can post to people in chat. I can chat to people in a breakout room, and sometimes I can't. Right now, I can't.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Mr. Zamora, do you want to just email that to me?
Okay.
It doesn't do anything. It shows it's not a PDF file. Usually I get an error that says that there's some kind of issue with it, but it just doesn't do anything. It just.
Michael, is this on Ricardo Valencia Alvarez?
Yes, I announced to the court that you were not opposed to it, and I'm trying to get Judge Wilson the PDF to sign off on it.
Okay.
Ms. Poppy, may I go to a meeting with Cynthia Mata, please?
All right. I will assign Cynthia Mata to breakout room 10 and Mr. Roberts to breakout room 10.
Judge. Thank you.
I became the host again for some reason.
Sir, I'm sorry. It appeared that everything shut down on my computer. Zoom went away. I don't know if I could still see me or not, but.
That's fine, that happens.
But everyone in our whole office lost everything for a moment.
That's fine. At least it made me the host again. Like I said, I've had it kick me off and then just pick somebody at random. And it always to pick someone who is unable to figure out how to make me the host again. Okay, and I just posted the Valencia bond order to everyone. Oh, but apparently I hadn't saved my signature, so let me do it again.
Judge, I lost everything in chat. Can you repost that appointment order to me so I can get it to Mr. Roberts?
Sure. All right, I just sent it.
Arturo, or who's the clerk over there?
It's me.
Art, can you get a copy of that signed order and get it to the sheriff's office?
I'll ask Sonia to print it because upstairs I have no printer to print.
Okay, thank you. And Your Honor, I think that's all I have.
All right, you're excused. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye, Mike.
Bye. Mr. Valencia, I'll call you here in a little bit.
Okay, thank you. I could leave now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Is Grady still in a breakout room?
I think so.
Okay, he's the only one I'm waiting on. And Richard Briggs, I don't know.
Yes,
if
he and Cynthia Mata.
Okay, and Richard does anybody know what he's doing?
Yes, no, he's not in a breakout room. He's listening to us. Here he comes. He raised his hand, it says.
Richard,
Yeah.
did you need anything else from me?
Actually, yeah, if I could, I just want to get you up to speed on what I've done here today.
Okay, so you need a
If we could
breakout
have-
room?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
Okay, no problem.
Judge, do you want to make me host again and I'll make you co-host, or?
Here, I'll do it. Wait, let me. All right, I'll move you to 20 and put Miss Raza in number 20.
Miss Poppy, may I go back in a breakout room with Leslie whenever she comes available?
Yes,
I don't see
Judge,
her.
if you want to give me that capability, I'll do it for you.
I just did.
Okay. I'll make you co-host again.
And no, Mr. Baird never called me.
Okay. Mr. Roberts, you did get that appointment. I think you might have been in a breakout room, not positive.
I don't mind waiting until, I just want to get in line to talk to her, that's all.
Okay.
Thank you.
I just posted that to you, Mr. Roberts. And Tyrone, the appointment.
Oh, what?
You received an appointment on a guy named Tyrone or Tyrone. And I just
okay.
submitted that to you. You were in a breakout room and I couldn't give you the copy.
Thank you, Judge.
Mr. Roberts, I'm going to move you in with Ms. Carranza.
Judge Wilson,
Yes.
on Tyrone Roman, do you want him to do a waiver of arraignment today?
I have to take off in about 20 minutes. I mean, I can leave the meeting running, or we can just give him a date to have it done by. That's fine too.
Okay, just give me a date. How about,
How about March 11th?
yeah, that's what I was thinking, Leslie.
Okay, sounds good.
Judge, we've conferred on everything and I've got dates to announce to the court whenever you're ready.
All right, let me go over the docket with you.
Okay.
I've been excused then, Judge.
Yes, sir. Once you've posted that in chat, you are excused.
Thank you very much.
All right, Rios, is that a nice eye?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Castor 427.
Yes, sir.
Mata.
311.
Sawyer previously disposed.
Yes, sir.
311.
211 was when she was disposed of.
Okay. All right, Perez Adame,
325.
Castor 311,
No, Castor, Your Honor, is on 427, so we can keep him with
Oh,
Michael's
I'm sorry.
dates too.
right. Cordova 420,
Yes, sir.
Valencia 427,
Yes.
Molina, Nisai,
Nice eye.
Sotelo,
420,
and on the ads, Hernandez 311.
311. That's for a plea.
Okay. Robinson,
427.
and what'd you say, 311 for,
Yes, for Tyrone Roman.
okay, no, 311. Okay, excellent.
All right.
Have a good day.
Thank you. And the state is requesting bond forfeitures and capiases on those nice eyes, Judge.
Excellent, we will do that.
Thank you. Bye, everybody.
Thank you.
Let me see on Mr.
Everything good, Judge?
21, Cleophas Castillo. All right, is that everything we need to do?
Yes, sir, I believe so.
All right, I will see y'all soon. You need a copy of these, or we have all the information already?
I have all the information. If you want to send it, that's fine. If not.
No, I don't. We've got plenty to look at, just if you needed it.
No, sir, I have it. Thank you.
Okay, excellent. All right,
Good luck today.
Yeah, I hope so. All right, have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Good to see you, Eddie.
Good to see you, sir. Just for your information, I've already done those plan size and no response.
I believe he signed off, sir.
Okay.